What would happen if we replaced our sun with the most massive black hole in the known universe? Would Earth survive the chaos? Would time itself break down? Or would everything just get very, very cold? Let's take a deep dive into the terrifying beauty of black holes and imagine the unimaginable. First, let's talk about TON 618. It's not just any black hole. It's the largest black hole ever discovered. Located over 10.4 billion light-years away, TON 618 is a hypergiant quasar, and its central black hole has a mass of about 66 billion times that of our Sun. If the Sun were a grape, TON 618 would be Mount Everest. Its event horizon, or Schwarzschild radius, spans nearly 400 billion kilometers. That's about 47 light days across. This thing is a monster. So what happens if we magically swap out our Sun with TON 618? Let's find out. Boom! In an instant, our bright, life-giving Sun disappears, and TON 618 takes its place. No explosion, no shockwave, just darkness. Let's address the obvious. Earth doesn't get ripped apart right away. That's because gravity works the same. If TON 618 is exactly where the Sun was, and Earth stays the same distance, the force of gravity on Earth doesn't change. But there's no light, no heat. Within just 8 minutes, the last rays of sunlight arrive on Earth, and then total darkness. Temperatures plummet, photosynthesis stops, plants die. Within a few weeks, Earth becomes a frozen wasteland, and that's just the beginning. TON 618 has a much greater mass than the Sun, 66 billion times greater. So if we truly replaced the Sun with TON 618 and didn't scale its gravity down, every planet in the solar system would go haywire. Earth's orbit would be torn apart. It would spiral inward, possibly consumed by the black hole in a fiery death, or flung out into the void. Mercury, Venus, Mars, all gone. Even gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn wouldn't last long. But what if, and this is important, we made TON 618 the same gravitational mass as the Sun just for fun? Then, the planets might stay in orbit, but we'd still be orbiting a black hole, a cold, dark, invisible beast. Approach TON 618 too closely, and you'll encounter one of nature's scariest death traps, spaghettification. The closer you get to a black hole, the more extreme the gravity gets. Your feet would feel more pull than your head, stretching you into a noodle of atoms. Luckily, TON 618's event horizon is so huge, you wouldn't notice much until you're deep inside it. You could actually cross the event horizon and not feel a thing. At first. Then time slows, light bends, and physics stops making sense. With no sunlight, Earth freezes solid. Life, if it survives at all, would be forced underground, powered by geothermal energy. The sky? No bright star at the center. Just an invisible void. Stars would still shine, but their light would warp as it passed the massive black hole, creating stunning gravitational lensing effects. You'd see distorted galaxies and curved streaks of light circling where the Sun used to be. And time? From Earth's perspective, the area near TON 618 would appear frozen, thanks to the extreme time dilation. Welcome to the new solar system, if you can still call it that. So what have we learned? If we replaced the Sun with TON 618, life as we know it would end. Our solar system would collapse. But it's also a reminder of how perfectly balanced our tiny yellow star is. Black holes are awe-inspiring, powerful, and terrifying. But they're also a natural part of the universe. Without them, galaxies wouldn't form, stars wouldn't evolve, even we might not be here. So, next time you look at the Sun, be grateful it's not a 66 billion solar mass monster. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What should we replace next? Stay curious. More space, more science, more wonder every week.